Well. Big day, big names, and big money. Tell you what, in a few hours from now, your favorite PSL team is going to look very different. We saw some rallies, we saw some big numbers being thrown. We'll talk about all of those. We're joined in the studio by Ian Sykes. He's the global MD of Wisden, and he's here representing the Hyderabad Houston Kingsmen. Ian, thank you so much for joining us in the studio. Alongside him, we have Uruj Mumtaz Khan. Let's talk about your partnership with the HBL PSL. This is your first time joining hands with PSL. How has the experience been so far, considering that we're having our first auction?
Yeah, sure. Well, my experience here today has been fantastic so far. I'm a little jaded. I flew in early morning, so
Wow.
I'm a little bit shy on rest, but it's all good. The endorphins are taking me through. But yeah, there's been a great energy at the Hyderabad table so far today. So I've really enjoyed it.
Great.
Yeah.
Some yummy Pakistani food is waiting for you in just a few minutes.
Good.
But Uruj, coming right towards you, again, big numbers we have seen. What has been your most surprising moment in the auction so far? We saw big numbers going around, Saibzada Farhan, Naseem Shah, rallies. What has caught your eye?
Yeah, I think those three big names, Saibzada Farhan, Naseem Shah, the bid. I love the bid for Ubaid Shah. I thought that was phenomenal from a point where it was looking like it's just going to go under the dust. It might sort of just go under the carpet, and then suddenly there was a sort of back and forth with him. Just you expect that, like the likes of Naseem Shah to get you the big money. Saibzada Farhan, his recent form, even current form right now is quite elevating for Pakistan cricket in its entirety. So I just feel those three were quite interesting to watch in terms of which way they went. Even the Pakistan captain right now, Salman Ali Agha, didn't go for the top most dollar, but I think he provides such a complete factor from the way he understands the game to a complete all-rounder, and I think just so much experience coming in. So I think Karachi will be very happy to have him.
And let's also look at the purses right now. Where do the numbers stand? What team has spent how much so far? So Uruj, that's what the numbers look like right now. Looks like a few teams have just a little bit left. Look at Lahore Qalandars is only 8.510 crores remaining in their purse. Team Rawalpindi only left with 9.5 crores. What can we expect now in the upcoming rounds? कौन सी teams ऐसी हैं जो कि अब अपना balance complete करने की तरफ जा रही हैं?
Yeah, I think Lahore, obviously, Haris Rauf went for top dollar there. So it was good to see him actually back in Lahore Qalandars. He's got such a beautiful story with their development program, and he goes back to his house, which is nice. But I feel if you look at that table, a lot of teams won't be having lunch. They will be on the calculator trying to figure out, because only two teams between Quetta and Lahore are the only ones who have 10. Remember, minimum squad sizes are 16. So for all those teams who still have 7, 8, 9 players to get, with the amount of money, I don't think lunch will be. I mean, Ian can go and have lunch, you and I can go and have lunch, but the rest of them will be calculating, because what we spoke about in the first place, the auction provides so many variables that you have to have plan B, C and D as well, in terms of if you don't get the player for the amount that you thought, and then what are you left with? And if you don't get that player, who else can you go for? So I just feel come up the second round, there's another category I'm really looking forward to, is those prime batters. So once they come around as well, because they will also go for top dollar, but whether the teams have enough and what their strategy will be post-lunch will be interesting.
And
Do you think we could be up for a late night?
Oh, 100%. You got an early morning flight, so you might as well just keep maxing out on coffee
going,
right
yeah,
now.
very true.
Absolutely.
But Ian, coming to you, there's so much great Pakistani talent on display. You know, we have seen at the T20 World Cup as well. But over the years, through the HBL PSL, we have seen so much of talent come through. And you, because you have such a keen eye on cricket worldwide, what do you have to say on the kind of talent that comes through these platforms, especially through HBL PSL?
Yeah, it's extraordinary. I mean, we're really keen to partner with Hyderabad Kingsmen, and particularly with the PSL. It gives us a really good foundation to do some storytelling that we've not been in a position to do before, and that in itself is a great foundation for us to expand our growth in the Asian market, as we've been working at for the last, 3 or 4 years now.
Right, well, good luck with the remaining auction, Ian. Great to have you in the studio. And I think let's break for lunch now, guys. It's about time. We've been here for a few hours, and auction का जो सिलसिला है वो अभी जारी रहेगा on the other side of this lunch break. Please do not go anywhere. Keep tuned in, because there's so much coming on the other side.